You guys need to bend your knees more. You need to get down. So, 1, 2, right. You need to be lower to the ground so that your lifts will show. So your leg will show more. Because if your leg is straight like this, it just looks like you're going like this.
So we have to do like sideways kind of?
Yeah, because, depending on like how wide your hips are, sometimes people can't do it like right behind. I can't do it right behind. I need to go out a little bit more. That's okay. Because they're not going to see it under your skirt.
It's like this, and then
1, 2. So they're not going to see you if you're out like this, but they are going to see you if your lift looks like this. So the way that you need it to look like it's going out, so we want to be pointing our toes down as much as possible and trying to get this heel as close to your butt as possible. I'm old as hell, so I can't do that high with the lifts, but that's what you're shooting for. You're trying to get that heel to push towards your butt, okay? And the way that you can kind of cheat that and like hack it is by having the stable leg that's holding you up, by bending that as much as, exactly. See how much better that looks, right? So if you keep this bent and stable, it's a way of cheating to show, because if you see how it looks like that, but if it goes like this, it looks like your lift is much higher than it actually is.
okay.
All right, so boom, boom, boom. 1 and 2. Bend that knee. So the important thing about bending the knee is you need to push your shoulders back because you don't want to fall over. So you want to make sure that you keep yourself as central, your body as central as possible. Bend those knees, bend down low, push those shoulders all the way back, and then lift that foot up.
Amazing. Just saying.
All right, so here, boom, boom. Okay.